Statistical significance versus practical significance. Statistical significance means that whatever you're measuring didn't just happen by chance. It happened enough times that you can go, yes, this intervention, this pill, this whatever made the next thing happen. That's statistical significance. Practical significance is so what? Okay, it made that happen, but is that thing happening worth it? Is it of value in some way? In my field of special education, I'm going to talk about that in the idea of a curriculum for kids who are significantly behind in reading or have dyslexia. In that case, we want to see more than 1 year's growth in 1 year. We don't want to see a statistical significance of like 3 months growth in a full year. That's not enough. We want these kids to catch up. So when choosing a curriculum, we have to look at both. Now, what's the downside of picking something that is statistically significant but not practically significant? In this example, resources, money. School districts do not have infinite money. If they are paying for the training of a teacher and the resources and the curriculum for all of these new things, it needs to show that the kids are learning, that it's working, that it's doing what it says it's going to do. Effect size. Again, in this field, it can be difficult to get a large population to really see if whatever it is going to work, because each student has so many different things going on. If we're talking about special education students, kids with extra needs, person A and person B, sure, they might both be 3 years behind in reading, but person A is also blind and person B is also autistic. Those things could be interfering with the results. So how do you get around that? Well, you hope you can get enough people to participate that it all balances out and that you can be selective and make sure your groups are homogeneous in that fashion. And then hopefully you also go back and do testing on the different other groups. So that is statistical significance versus practical significance in the view of special education.